Did you know that outdated home finishes can knock up to 20% off your home's resale value? That's like handing over $60,000 on a $300,000 house just because of brass fixtures and mauve walls. Not good. Hi, I'm Erica McClain, and today we're talking about how to update those tired finishes in your home so it feels better, looks better, and yes, sells for more if that's in your future. You don't have to do a full renovation to make a huge difference. Outdated finishes can drag down even the most well-maintained homes. We're talking orangey oak cabinets, frosted dome light fixtures, and paint colors that screamed 90s chic 20 years ago. These things don't just make a space feel old. They can actually turn off buyers or make you feel uninspired in your own space. I once walked a home where the kitchen was clean, perfectly clean, but the honey oak and the dated laminate made it feel like a time capsule, and not the fun kind. The good news? You don't need a sledgehammer or $50,000 renovation budget to fix this. Okay, let's break down a few simple DIY updates that make a big difference. Paint. Fresh, neutral wall colors like soft gray or off-white can instantly modernize a space. A gallon of paint costs around $30 and gives you a major return on your investment. Cabinets. Instead of replacing them, consider painting or refinishing. A good degreaser, sanding sponge, primer, and cabinet paint can turn orange oak into clean white, dramatic navy, or trendy sage. Light fixtures. Swapping out the dated lights for modern flush mounts or pendant lighting is easier than you think, especially with YouTube tutorials and a good pair of gloves. Look for a matte or brushed gold for an updated look. Even simple touches like changing out cabinet hardware or adding peel and stick backsplash can elevate the entire kitchen. Updating your finishes doesn't have to be expensive or overwhelming. These small tweaks can boost your home's value, make it more appealing to buyers, or just help you fall in love with your space again. So, have you tackled any do-it-yourself home updates? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your before and afters or what project you're stuck on. And if you found this helpful, check out my other videos on easy curb appeal upgrades that really turn heads. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips to love or sell your home smarter.